Cozen Saws offers a broad selection of utility tool room bandsaws in both horizontal and vertical styles. Included in these are Cozen's VCS series saws, which are designed for all your tool room and production needs in mind. Coming with several built-in features and in a relatively small footprint, the VCS series features 4 standard models: VCS 310, 600, 600H, and 1000. With cutting height capacities ranging from 8.6 inches to 13 inches, and throat ranging from 12 inches to 36 inches, the VCS series gives versatility in size, cutting capacity, and price. All Cozen VCS machines come standard with an adjustable cast aluminum table, which can be adjusted to a plus-minus 15-degree tilt. An inverter blade drive system, which allows for infinitely variable blade speeds, table T-slot, rip fence, and a built-in work light. Certain models, such as Cozen's VCS 310 and 600H, come with model-specific features, such as a blade welder on the 310 and a hydraulic work table on the 600H. All of Cozen's VCS models come standard with a manual blade, tensioning wheels, and come securely crated, ready for immediate shipment. Rugged, dependable, and affordable are all words that describe Cozen's VCS series of saws, making them perfect for any small tool room, production shop, or hobbyist.